and some fest, a match made in heaven. Now for the Intense 5, and believe me, it was a wild week. Poppy and the Popo just can't seem to get along. There was drama on Constant Spring Road early Sunday morning when police intervened during Popcorn's bike antics. Road was blocked off and the tensions were high. Haven't heard about charges though. A scene from a Chronic Love video set was leaked and it looks like the dancer never felt like being touched. However, when she decided to touch the law boss, he told her don't touch him either. Oh well. The collapse of a major bridge in Baltimore after a container ship struck a major support pylon. Unbelievable to watch. It was like a movie. Congrats to the Irama winners! TJ took home 3, Chris Martin and Pablo YG 2. There were lots more winners, so huge congrats to them. And finally holding the spot this week, Diddy, what's going on? Raids at both homes, jet being tracked to Antigua, rumors of human trafficking, and of course, exes starting to talk. We'll definitely keep you updated. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next is an interview with the newest sensation, Spider.